I J K L
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony.
M
Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy.
N
Mind the music and a step, and with the girls be handy.
O P Q
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men
R.
thick as pasty.
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. I for Indian, I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam, J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo,
In Washington, and gentle folks about him, they say
K for key.
carnal proud, he will not
K for koala, he's cute and he's brown.
Keep it up.
L for ladder, L for leaf.
Mind the music
L is for lamb, he's prancing around.
handy.
M for monkey, M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail, N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus, O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black.
on a pony.
P for paint, P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. Q for question, Q for queen.
Girls be handy.
Q is for question, when you don't know why. R for radio, R for rake. R is for rainbow, you see in the sky. I J K L M N O P Q R. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.